Hello, kindergarten students. How are you doing? This week we are practicing our vowel sound of long A and short A. So long A says A, and short A says ah, ah, ah. I'm going to teach you a song about the vowel sounds, and this song is an echo song. So I'll say it and then you repeat it. It reminds me of when we do our Hey There Neighbor song, and Hey There Neighbor, and then you repeat it. So I'll say a part and then you repeat it. Ready? A makes two sounds, A and A. A for apron, A for apple, A and A. All right, so that is the A part, and then as we practice the different vowel sounds, we'll learn the different verses. So for today, I have ready a little list of words that start with long A, like apron, ape, April. And why does that have an uppercase? Because it's a name. Very good. And the last one I wrote is ate, like I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Sounds the same as the number 8, but it's spelled differently. And for our short A, I wrote the first one was apple, The next one is axe. Next we have animal. And the last one is ask. What I would like you to do today is make your own list of words that begin with long A or short A. You don't have to write the words. You can just draw a picture if you would like, but that is your reading job for today. All right, see you. Take care.